Hello, good morning to all and welcome to Competition Success Academy. So today we are going to take the reading test of Competition Success Academy student from per class, and I will call a particular student from each class and we shall take and we shall check the reading test. So keep watching. Now I am going to take a reading test from class 1. Now I am asking one random student. So what is your name?
My name is Arko Ravidas.
Arko Ravidas. So which book you have opened? English book?
English book.
Okay. Can you read? I will ask you one question, okay?
Yes,
You have to read. Okay. Can you tell me what is the chapter name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please read.
The Lion and the Mouse.
The Lion and the
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay. You can read from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read please.
He was very powerful. One day when the lion was sleeping under a tree.
Okay. Wait. Okay. You are able to read here. Let me check from another chapter. Okay. Please read from here.
They go to school from Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday are holidays.
Okay, from another chapter, let me also check. You read from here.
Once there was an argument between the wind and the sun.
Okay, very good, Arko. He's from one class, he's able to read very good. So now let me check another girls from girls side. So okay, stand up please. What is your name?
My name is Rijia Sultana.
Rijia Sultana. Okay, you have open English book. Let me see. Let me check your reading test. So please, can you tell me what is the chapter name?
Yes, sir. The wind and the sun.
Okay, the wind and the sun. Okay, you can read from here.
Yes, sir.
Please read.
We shall have a competition, said the sun.
Okay, very good. From now you say from another chapter. I am asking you. You say from here.
Mike and Julie never fight.
Okay, this side also read.
They are polite children.
Okay, polite children. Okay, from another chapter also. This is my family chapter. You read from here.
She is my mother.
Okay, I read ahead.
She is preparing food for us.
You can tell me what is the meaning of this?
She is my mother. A hoy amar ma.
Okay, very good. Please sit down, Rizia. Okay, now we are going to 2 class. So let us go inside. Okay, good morning. Sit down, everybody. So here we shall check students' reading test. Randomly I will call. Let me choose a student. Okay. Now let me call random student. So what is your name?
My name is Farhan Hussain.
Farhan Hussain. What are you reading now? English.
Yes.
Okay, I will ask you from any chapter you can read.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me see. You can read from this chapter. What is the chapter name?
The previous time.
The previous time. Okay. You can read from here. What is written?
Kitty understood the word of her father. She followed every word of her father.
Okay. You can read from another chapter also.
Yes.
You read from here. What is written?
This big mango tree had a thick trunk and
Okay, wait. What is the meaning of this?
मतलब है ट्री दिस बिग मैंगो ट्री वो बड़ा पेड़ आम का गाछ में है बड़ा बड़ा गुड़ी.
Okay. You can read from another chapter also. Let me see. Let me check your another chapter test. Name?
Tenali and thieves.
Tenali and
Thieves.
thieves. What is the meaning of Tenali and the thieves?
तेनाली and thieves. तेनाली उसके साथ कुछ चोर.
ठीक है. Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Okay, now we are going to check class 3 reading test. You can see it is written class 3. Okay, let us go inside. Good morning, sir. Okay, good morning. Sit down, please. Okay, now we are in class 3. I will check a random student. So, okay, tell me what is your name?
My name is Sinina Khatun.
Sinina Khatun. Okay, which book are you are reading?
English.
Okay, now I'm going to check your reading test, okay?
Yes.
Let me see you are able to read or not. What chapter it is? Okay, Sinina, please can you tell me what is the chapter name?
Alibaba and 40 Thieves.
Alibaba and 40 Thieves. Okay, now you read from here.
Alibaba was a poor man.
Okay, wait. What is the meaning of Ali Baba was a poor man?
अलीबाबा एक बहुत ही गरीब आदमी था.
Okay, let me check from another chapter. This is the wise saint chapter. You read from here.
One day when the saint was preaching in a village,
Okay, very good, Sinina. Let me check from another chapter also. Read from here.
Chiku monkey was sitting on top of a tree, hungrily devouring bananas. As soon as he found one banana, he threw the peel down and started on the next one. Someone he noticed a small goat chewing the peel that he had thrown and looking up at him from time to time.
Okay, very good, Sinina. Thank you. Okay, now I'm checking from boy side. So let me check from you. What is your name?
My name is Aryan Singh.
Aryan Sheikh. Okay, you have opened English book. Let me check your English reading. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Please, you can tell me what is
Chapter 3, the elephant and the pots.
the elephant and the
Pots.
pots. I'm going to check from another chapter. Okay, you read from here.
Long, long ago there ruled a king called Akbar. He was very fond of music. He had a famous musician in his court.
Okay, wait. Let me check from another chapter also. You read from here.
Very often Chiku would take Chumri to a house which had jackfruit tree.
Okay, wait. You can.
Chapter 8, Alibaba and 40 Thieves. Alibaba was a poor man. He lived in a village with his wife. He earned his living by selling dry woods. One day when he was cutting woods, he saw a band of 40 robbers coming towards a cave. He at once hid himself behind the leaves of the tree. The chief of the band alighted from his horse and said, "Open sesame." The door of the cave opened. While the robbers entered the cave and the door of the cave closed itself. After some time, the door opened and the robbers come out and went away from there.
For class. Okay, good morning, student. Sit down, everybody. Okay, from this class also, I am going to check a random student reading test. Okay, so are you ready, everybody? Yes, sir. We are in 4 class, and now I am going to ask one student. Please tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Subrata Marshall.
Okay, please sit down. Subrata Marshall, please can you let me check your reading test.
Sir.
Please can you tell me what is the chapter name?
Yes, sir. About the Jurassic Age.
You can say loudly, okay?
Yes, sir.
Say once again.
About the Jurassic Age.
Okay, please read from here.
Because man is the most intelligent creature of this world.
Okay, let me check from another chapter also. Okay, now let me check from another chapter also. Let me see, this chapter is Unity's Strength.
Yes, sir.
So please can you tell me what is the meaning of Unity's Strength?
सर बंगाली में बोलेंगे.
Yes, okay, you can say.
एकता ही शक्ति है.
Okay, very good. You read from here.
The hunter came out from behind the bush.
You read ahead.
He
Don't
was
stop.
very glad to see that so many pigeons were caught in his net. The king of the pigeons saw the fowler coming towards them. He now knew the danger laying ahead. He cried out to his follower.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Marshall. Okay, now I'm going to check from girl side. So what is your name?
Sir, my name is Alia Khatun.
Okay, Alia, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Let me check your reading test also. You read from here.
However, the truth is that the unicorns I saw were very different from those I had heard about.
Okay, very good. Let me check from another chapter. Let's read from here.
He was born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta, now Kolkata. Nitin Rabindranath found school dull as his classmates recited their lesson. Rabi would gaze out of the window dreaming and observing nature. He found his world of fantasy so fascinating.
Okay, please wait. Here it is written Rabindranath Tagore. You can please tell me Rabindranath Tagore was from which state?
West Bengal.
Okay, West Bengal. Very good. Alia, let me check from another chapter also. You read from here.
The King Solomon was very intelligent.
Okay, what is the meaning of the King Solomon was very intelligent?
Means एक ऐसा राजा था जिसका नाम सोलोमन था, वो बहुत मतलब बुद्धिमान था.
Okay, very good Alia. Very good. Thank you.
वेलकम सर.